Nice. Good. Wow.
That's great.
All right, move your 10 o'clock to like 9:30-ish point. There you go. Wait. Your body can be wherever. You want the point of contact. You want him to reach out through 9:30 or 9:45-ish.
Okay.
Good. Just like that. Good. Good.
I wait for 2.
Yeah, go for 2. Yeah, because he's cheating. Very nice. Very nice. Now you've got a functioning quarter on that quarter.
Good boy.
We get used to how they limit their movement out of phobia lockdown, and we think that we just think that they're kind of shaped that way, but they're not. They just can't reach out into space. Those steps are huge compared. Good. Those side steps are huge compared to what we were getting 20 minutes ago. And forever before that. Good.